In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about the Argand diagram. So we plot numbers on the Argand diagram. Instead of x and y axes, we have the real and imaginary axes. We take the same things into consideration that we do when plotting numbers on the Cartesian plane. So again, there'll be a lot of similarities here between this and coordinate geometry. The first thing we're going to learn is how to draw the Argand diagram. So we draw our axes. Our x-axis is the real axis, and the y-axis is now the imaginary axis. We then graduate the axis like we do with coordinate geometry. So we put in our positive values on the right and at the top, and our negative values are going on the left and at the bottom. So one thing to note, the y-axis is our imaginary axis. However, we don't fill in 1i, 2i, we just fill in the imaginary part. So that's just the numbers. So now let's work on plotting these numbers. So again, we need to make sure that we fill in our numbers accurately. So Z1, 2 on the real axis, 4 on the imaginary axis. So that's going to be my Z1. Z2, minus 3 minus 2i. So that's minus 3 on the real, minus 2 on the imaginary axis. Z3 is minus 1 on the real, plus 5i, so that's 5 on the imaginary. Z4 is minus 2 minus 1, so that's minus 2 on the real, minus 1 on the imaginary. And Z5 is 4 minus 3, so that's 4 on the real axis, minus 3 on the imaginary axis. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.